Palm Coast homeowners enjoy beautiful coastal views, abundant sunshine, and a warm climate. However, these environmental factors can take a toll on home windows over time. Recognizing the signs that your windows need replacing is essential to maintaining energy efficiency, home security, and overall comfort. If you're wondering whether it's time to invest in new windows, here are the top signs that indicate you need a window replacement in your Palm Coast home. High energy bills. If you've noticed a sudden or steady increase in your energy bills, your windows may be to blame. Old or inefficient windows allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with proper insulation can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If you're struggling to open or close them, it could be due to frame warping, rusted hardware, or accumulated dirt and debris. Over time, Florida's humidity and salt air can cause wooden frames to swell or metal components to corrode. If lubrication or minor repairs don't fix the issue, a full window replacement may be necessary. Condensation between the glass panes. Foggy windows with moisture trapped between the glass panes indicate a broken seal. Double or triple pane windows contain gas insulation, and when the seal fails, the insulating gas escapes, reducing the window's energy efficiency. If you notice persistent condensation inside the panes, it's time to replace your windows. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wooden frames, or chipped paint are clear signs that your windows are deteriorating. Damaged windows not only diminish your home's curb appeal but also compromise security and insulation. Replacing them with durable, weather-resistant materials like vinyl or fiberglass can enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Excessive outside noise. Do you hear more traffic, barking dogs, or other outside noises than before? Older windows with single-pane glass or worn-out seals allow more sound to enter your home. Modern windows with double or triple glazing and soundproofing features can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Drafts and air leaks. A noticeable draft near your windows, even when they are closed, is a strong indicator of poor insulation. This is particularly problematic in Palm Coast's climate, where efficient cooling is essential. Replacing drafty windows with energy-efficient models can improve indoor comfort and prevent air leaks. Fading furniture and flooring. If your carpets, furniture, or artwork are fading due to prolonged sun exposure, your windows may lack UV protection. Older windows without low emissivity, low E, coatings allow harmful UV rays to penetrate your home. Upgrading to windows with UV blocking technology can help protect your interior furnishings from sun damage. Increased home security concerns. Weak or outdated windows are a security risk. If your windows don't lock properly or have thin, fragile glass, they make it easier for intruders to gain access. Newer window models come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass, enhancing home security and providing peace of mind. Storm damage or weather where living in Palm Coast means being prepared for hurricanes and tropical storms. If your windows have suffered damage from storms, strong winds, or heavy rain, they may no longer provide adequate protection. Impact-resistant windows designed to withstand extreme weather conditions can safeguard your home from future storms. Outdated appearance. Windows play a significant role in your home's overall look. If your windows appear outdated or no longer match your home's aesthetic, replacing them can enhance curb appeal and increase property value. Modern window designs offer stylish frames, various color options, and improved functionality. Choosing the right replacement windows. When selecting new windows for your Palm Coast home, consider features such as energy efficiency, UV protection, durability, and storm resistance. Vinyl, fiberglass, and impact-resistant glass are excellent choices for Florida's climate. Additionally, hiring a professional window installer ensures proper fitting and optimal performance. Conclusion. Replacing old or damaged windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and appearance. If you recognize any of these signs, it may be time to upgrade to high-quality, weather-resistant windows. Investing in new windows not only enhances comfort and safety but also boosts your home's value in the long run. Contact a trusted local window replacement expert in Palm Coast to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of modern, efficient windows.